Hey guys, so it's been a really rough afternoon. I have a lot of makeup all over me because I've been crying. We have to put my beautiful cat down, so it's sad. So it's sad, and she has skin cancer, and it's spreading, and we don't want to, and there's really nothing we can do, and it's spreading badly, and she's not eating or drinking, and she's not walking very well, so it's time. I love her so much. Hey guys, so it is the next day, and we didn't put her down yet. We waited till today, so I'm just like trying to breathe, but it's hard because I'm crying really a lot, and I was up till 2 in the morning crying constantly because I don't want to put her down, but then again I don't want her being in pain and dying that we did, so freaking hard for me. Hey guys, so I'm not sure if you understand what was happening in those two clips. We had to put my cat down because she developed skin cancer, and it was eating away her ear, and it was already spreading all over her, and she wasn't eating or drinking water. She wasn't walking well at all, so it was just time to put her down. And it is hard, but I don't want her living in pain, so we put her down this morning. We were gonna do it yesterday, but I went overnight with her, and the vet let us do it today, so I'm glad. So she's not in pain anymore. She's up there in heaven, where the pets go, where we call Rainbow Bridge. She's with my other cat, Cosmo, so now it's just 2 dogs, and it feels weird only having 2 dogs in the house than a cat in the house with 2 dogs. But, it's the way of life. So, it is the way it is. So, yeah. What's going on? So, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.